All right, guys, I want to make a quick video for you. I hope you all had a great Christmas and New Year's. Sorry I'm not here today. The video is basically a review of graphing lines. Okay, this document is going to be attached to your classroom for you to work on. You've probably done some of these problems before. You've probably seen some of them, but I want to go over the first one with you just as a reminder, because what we're going into in the next chapter is also going to have to do with graphing lines, but it's going to be about solving systems of equations, and systems of equations are going to have two lines. So instead of having just this one line right here, you'll have this line with it, and then you'll have to graph two lines and solve those. And we'll get into those when I get back tomorrow. That'll be the first thing that we start in chapter 5. So just as a review, chapter 4, and graphing lines. When you are graphing a line, okay, you always want to start by getting y alone. So in this example, I'm going to move the 7x to the other side. So this turns into y equals, okay, I'll put a space there, y equals, the 7x has to go to the other side, which means I'm going to subtract it. So I have minus 7x, and then I still have my plus 5 on that side. Okay, now what that does is now it's in slope-intercept form. Okay, as a reminder for you, y is always alone. The slope is the number that's next to the x, so in this case it's -7, and my 5 is the, gave you a second there, hopefully you thought y-intercept, okay? The y-intercept, or the b in this case. So if we're going to graph this, okay, we're going to start with the b, and we're going to go up 5 spaces, and this is always on the y line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to put a dot. Okay, that's pretty small, so I'll make it a little bigger. Whoops, hold on here. Let's make my dot a little bigger, and we'll make it at right here at the 6, or at the 5. Okay, so I went 5 up, 1, 2, 3, or 5. That's my first dot. Now I have to, from this dot, I have to find the slope. Well, the slope is a -7. If I just went -7, I'd be right back down here and on the line, and that would be a vertical line. I'm not doing that. I'm doing 7/1, or -7/1, which means I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then over 1. So after I do that, I'm then going to make a shape. Okay, I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to connect my line. Okay, and that's my slope of the line. Okay, now I've graphed one line. So what I'd like you to do is finish this worksheet. Okay, I'll of course have the answers attached to the bottom. Okay, it's not for you to copy the answers, but for you to see if you've in fact done them correctly. So I will post this worksheet to the classroom, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Have a great day. Behave.